As I stand here, my ocean blue eyes scanning the horizon, I can't help but reflect on the state of our world. I'm Maximus, an immortal who has seen civilizations rise and fall, yet the current situation troubles me deeply. My empathic abilities allow me to feel the collective fear and isolation that blankets humanity. I run a hand through my dark brown, wavy hair, a gesture I've repeated countless times over the centuries when deep in thought. As an inventor dedicated to healing, I've always sought solutions, but the challenges we face now seem particularly daunting. Censorship looms large, and the shadows of manipulation stretch far and wide. Hackers and rogue governments alike prey on the vulnerable, each pushing their own agendas. But I've learned something vital in my long existence. When surrounded by shadows, one must look within to find the light. That's why I've retreated to my meditation sanctuary, a place where I can merge with the light and reconnect with my true self. You see, even for an immortal like me, mastery must be won anew each day. I can't rely on my past achievements or inventions. I must continually engage with my higher self. As I settle into my meditation pose, I feel the familiar sensation of relaxing into my core being. It's here, in this state of deep awareness, that solutions often present themselves. I visualize clouds of worry and fear, then imagine the sun of my consciousness burning them away, revealing a beautiful, clear day. In my centuries of life, I've spent countless days seeking like-minded souls and worthy projects. I've seen glimmers of hope, but also witnessed so many lost and distracted individuals. It reminds me of an old saying, the blind leading the blind. That's why I always return to this inner work. The love and light we seek externally can be elusive, but within, it's always accessible. I've studied numerous spiritual practices over my lifetime, but I've found particular value in what some call spiritual exercises. These active meditations engage the creativity of the soul, our true essence beyond the physical, emotional, and mental bodies we inhabit. These bodies, while useful, also form a veil that obscures our inner world. My daily practice is like taking vitamins for my higher self, a crucial ritual for an immortal, navigating the complexities of each era. Living through multiple ages has taught me the transient nature of material possessions. Though I've accumulated my share of gadgets and gizmos over the years, I know that true fulfillment comes from within. I've watched countless generations pass, their lives but a blink in the grand scale of time. Even now, with the average human lifespan around 1,000 months, it seems so fleeting to me. As an immortal, I've had to learn to cherish each moment while holding the long view. I've seen dark times before, what some might call shadow wars. But I know that light always returns. My inventions and healing work are all aimed at hastening that return, preparing humanity for a time of longer lifespans and wondrous experiences. In the meantime, I continue my spiritual exercises, readying myself for the new world I believe is coming. I have plans, grand visions of a global network of silent meditation sanctuaries. But timing is everything, and my immortal perspective tells me it's not quite time yet. Still, I continue to build, to heal, to connect with others who share this vision. As I open my eyes, feeling refreshed and centered after my meditation, I'm filled with a sense of purpose. The path ahead may be challenging, but with each person who turns inward and connects with their higher self, we move closer to a brighter future. and I, Maximus, will be here to witness and contribute to that transformation, one invention, one healing, one meditation at a time.